Balanced Life by Sarah. So, the components of a balanced life are different for a lot of people, but most of the time the core components is one's physical, spiritual, social, financial, professional, mental, family, and community. A lot of the times these are different for everybody. The priorities of each one's different. Some may be family, some may be spiritual. Some people may worry about their physical well-being as most important. It's just up to them and how it is. But without these things being balanced, one can be really stressed. And sometimes stress is the cause of not being balanced, which is not good. So one of the quotes that I found was, increasing numbers of women are discovering a great male secret, that work can be an escape from the pressures of home, pressures that the changing nature of work itself is only intensifying. So for some people, work is a getaway. It's a getaway to get away from the stresses of home and just get out and talk to people, or depends on the job. Some people may have like a quiet job. Maybe they have, they work for the government, organizing files or something. And some people, work is the cause of their stress. They go to work and they have a high stress job. Maybe they're a banker and they have money. They're handling money all day and different things. But to be balanced, occupation has a big role, which leads to finance. If you're not financially stable, that leads to emotional upset and stress, which then leads to not feeling balanced. So, another quote I found is, individual differences in physical energy, family experiences, personal goals, and occupational focus surely exert great influence on decisions. So, their personal goals, their occupation, they influence people's decisions on, what makes them balance, what makes them feel secure. And here's a picture that I found. It shows everybody's different. Nobody feels the same way. Some people feel extreme about different things. In this, it's kind of talking about how their emotions is one of the more important things, kind of, if you will, to them, is how I took it. So, their emotional status has a great deal on if they feel balanced. Here's another picture I thought kind of showed how everything in life depends on what you go through and if you're balanced. So balance is the key to everything. What we do, think, say, eat, feel, they all require awareness, and through this awareness we can grow. So what we go through is how we grow and how we become better individuals, and if we're balanced. And last but never least is your friends and family. The last quote I found was, balance also means making time for friends and family. This one kind of hits home because for me, my family and friends mean everything to me. I'd do anything for them. You have to get out and do things that make you happy. Hang out with your friends, go out with your family, have just a dinner with your family, or celebrate with your friends when you have a great day. They're supposed to be there for you, and they help you through when you're stressed or something. They are the ones that sometimes lift the weight off your shoulders if you got good friends. So I believe that they're a vital part to having a balanced life, and they're a great support system no matter what. So do I believe a balanced life is possible? Yes, I do. I believe that it's different for everyone. Everyone has different priorities, but I believe it's possible. I believe it's difficult. But if you're willing to work at it day by day, it would be worth your while. I plan to pursue a balanced life. Like I said, it don't happen in one day, but with hard work and dedication, just with anything else, I believe it's possible, and I believe it would be good for us.